that? He's in La La Land.
You ready? Let's go. Come on. Wrong side.
There you go.
Good job. Push it.
There
Good
you got it.
job.
Go.
Push harder.
Push it.
Push it down.
He's going back.
There.
Now let him go.
Go. Come on.
Push it.
Come on.
That'll be...
Good job. Push it.
Good job. Push it again.
Come on.
Push it.
Leans back to make sure he...
Come on. Huh?
It's like fleeting or something.
Oh, come on.
Go.
Oh, come on.
Push it.
To go, you gotta hold your foot down.
Push it. Push.
Hold your foot down, baby.
Come on. Push it. Come on, dude. Push it.
Watch Philip. Hold your foot down, baby.
Because he's mad. He goes back.
Maybe we should put my collar on him.
Maybe I need to put a spacer in there so he can, when he pushes it, goes easier.